Intaki sibekelwa amazolo njengoba iqembu iActionSA iselethule lowo ngusihlalo walo esifundazweni njengozomela somNdunankulu KwaZulu Natali. Mncwango ngokudabuka kwaNongoma unikwe imiyalelo ecace ibhawu kumele ayilandele.
Order of business is to work towards the removal of ANC in this province. That's the first order of business that you've got to do. Secondly, please mobilize other political parties to support you to ensure that the provincial government is moved to Ulundi in honor of Prince Buthelezi. Lastly, the next sitting of eThekwini municipality, you and your team come out with a motion where eThekwini Metro must be changed and named after Prince Buthelezi.
Uthi-ke okuseqhulwini ukuqinisekisa ukuthi izakhamuzi esifundazweni zihlinzekwa ngosizo lwezempilo olusezingeni kanjalo-ke nohlelo lwezemfundo oluseqophelweni eliphezulu. Uthi-ke abaholi abakhohlakele kumele bayikhothe imbenge yomile. Uthi nombutho wamaphoyisa kuleli kumele uhlinzekwe ngezinsiza kusebenza ezanele.
Part of cleaning and having good governance, we will make sure that corruption is declared enemy number one.
Mncwango uthi-ke uhulumeni wakhe angeke ubakhohle futhi abantu abasemalokishini nasezindaweni ezisemakhaya.
We must ensure that we give our young people skills, even in rural areas, so that they are able to employ themselves. We must create an environment where young people are not only looking for jobs, but are able to create jobs.
Njengoba isisemoma impelasonto yokubhalisela ukuvota leli qembu lizokwethula umhlahlandlela walo wokhetho bese-ke liphuma inqina yokukhankasela-ke amavoti kuzwelonke. Ezindabeni zethu ku-Channel 163 oyilethelwa iNewsroom Africa, nginguNtando Mnyandu eThekwini.